Hi guys, it's Future Labs, my name is Roll, and with new ways how to earn in crypto, it's kinda tough these days and gets much more harder, much more difficult every day I believe, because before we got a lot of schemes, how you can do that, how you can transfer some exchanges, new tokens, APY, listings, etc. New games and all of these things. And on the current market, this is really not really good story with all of that, but still we all are looking for something, and today I'm going to show you a few things that might be interesting for you, I believe. But before this video starts, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot now in the future. Hit the like button and send link of this video to your friends. Let's go. So the first one is the simple headtails. It's built on Solana by the famous Fox Federation. This is really famous guys who has their own website, who is selling whitelist. So if the whitelist is going by the token, so it means that collection will be minting on the website of the project. They will get a whitelist token, and if they got whitelist token, if you want to buy it, you go into the famous Fox Federation for sure. They got kind of expensive collection. They're really famous in Solana sphere, so if you don't know them, you can check them out. And now they made this FFF flip thing, which is kind of casino thing, but still it's connected with Solana, and it's still kind of interesting in my opinion. So what we are doing, we select token in here. So I have only Solana, so we select Solana in here. We place a bet amount how much we want to flip. So the minimum here is 0.1 and the maximum is 2 Solanas. So you cannot bet like 20 Solanas or 100 Solanas. This is might be kind of good, I think. So yeah, you bet something, then you click on heads or tails, then token it's kind of flipping sometime for a few seconds, 3, 4, 5 seconds it's going flipping, and then it shows you what do you get. If you win, your money are doubled. If you lost, you lose all of your money, and if you win, there are 3% of the fees. Kind of interesting thing. I don't think this is really way how you can earn so much, but this is just kind of way to spend some time with some fun. I don't know, maybe enter here with some friends, or if you have a really good day and you earned really a lot from some flips, just go in here and try to flip a bit and maybe get yourself a good tasty gains. The second really interesting feature is called the Rise to the Challenge and share 200,000 in Rune. So we are going to the Binance and we are completing some missions in here. We click on do it, we do what do we need to do, this challenge items. So this is not really anything difficult in here. We only need to trade like on the Rune spot, so we're only like buying and selling and losing only a few cents on some commissions with conversion and stuff. So it's pretty simple. You just go in here, you're doing this, and when you are done, you can spin this wheel and get some tokens in here, and potentially you can win around $100+. You can win an $80, so one rune is around 2.5 dollars, right? So the potential you can win 50, 80 or $100, and you can register in here a few accounts, do it with a few accounts, transfer your money to all of them. And for example, for multiple accounts like 4 or 5, you can spend in total like, I don't know, 5, 7, $10 on these commissions and conversions, and potentially win $100 plus. I think this is might be really interesting feature that you can try to abuse, but keep in mind that event ends in 2 days. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't know, I don't see any other interesting schemes on the current market, so maybe you can try to write something down below in the comments what you have found or what you are abusing now. Hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. See you guys later.